वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावधान भलायकेन. सो आयजान आसा संडे आनी म्हाका क्विक कितें करूंक जाय आसलें. सो आय एम डुईंग टुडे coconut rice. For that I have taken one tender coconut, 1 cup of tender coconut, and some I have grated and some I have kept like this. So this is 1 cup of tender coconut. You can use normal coconut also. I'll be using some hing powder, then some 1 tablespoon of peanuts and a few cashew nuts. We will be roasting it. Then I have taken some chickpea powder, then 1 teaspoon of urad dal and 1 teaspoon of Toor dal. You can take any types of dal, whichever you want. Then we'll go as few curry leaves, few green chilies, and this is allspice leaves. Okay, so these are all there, and half lime juice. Then some mustard seeds, little bit of mustard seeds and little bit of cumin I will add. Then we need some cooked rice. So these are my cooked rice. This is around 400 grams. That is 2 cups of rice. So I have used Daawat rice. So I have taken this time Daawat super Basmati rice. So let's start now, and we need 2 tablespoons of ghee, clarified butter. So I have taken 2 tablespoons of ghee for this quantity, and we will add our mustard seeds first. Then we'll add our curry leaves, bay leaf, that is allspice leaf. This is different than the bay leaves, okay? So this is all like for tadka. Then our cashew nuts, lentils, roast them on low flame. Then we'll add our chilies also. They are tiny, so I'm just throwing this like this only. Then our hing powder. Like 1 teaspoon. Then chickpea flour also. Let it roast. So for this I had added salt while cooking the rice. Now we'll add our coconut. We'll roast this for 2 minutes. And now we will add our rice. So before that I am adding little bit of cumin powder, 1 pinch. Now we'll add our rice to this. Mix this all nicely. Mix all this nicely. Now we'll squeeze the lime juice on this. That's it. And here is our coconut rice is ready. Okay, so all the flavors are in this, and it's not very too much of ghee, but whatever is needed I have added. And now I will cover this and serve this either cold, or you can have hot with some papad or anything. Enjoy this rice. Manta तुमका हे सगळ्यांक आवडटलें, and आमचे नाल्लाचो रायस आणि full of flavors. आणि हे जावन आसा आमचे ऑल स्पायस, ते आनीक फ्लेवर दिला ह्या शीताक. तर मानता तुमकां हें सगळें आवडटलें, तुमी करून खातलें आनी एन्जॉय करतलीं. थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं.
And it's ready to eat yummy and tasty Goan coconut rice.